Welcome to our channel. Managing storage on Hulu involves handling downloads and offline content to optimize space on your device. Step 1. Open the Hulu app on your mobile device or tablet. Step 2. Note that Hulu only allows downloads on certain subscription plans, so verify your plan supports this feature. Step 3. Tap on the Downloads icon at the bottom of the screen to view all your downloaded content. Step 4. Review the list of downloaded shows and movies taking up storage space. Step 5. To delete individual items, swipe left on the content or tap the three-dot menu and select Delete Download. Step 6. To free up more space, delete multiple downloads at once by selecting Edit and choosing multiple items to remove. Step 7. Adjust download quality settings in the app to reduce file sizes for future downloads, saving storage space. Step 8. Regularly review and delete watched content to maintain adequate storage space on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.